Welcome children, take out your geography book. Earthquakes. Today's topic is flash floods. Many a time under the impact of severe earthquakes, the dams and embankments develop fissures which become the cause of flash floods, tsunamis or the seismic sea waves. The seismic waves traveling through the oceans and seawater result into high sea waves which are known as tsunamis. Tsunamis is a Japanese term which has been universally adapted to describe a large seismically generated sea wave. These waves are capable of causing considerable disruption in certain coastal areas, especially where submarine earthquakes occur. Once a tsunami is generated, its steepness is extremely low. This lack of steepness combined with waves for a very long period enables it to pass unnoticed beneath sea. As the seismic sea wave crest approaches shore, however, the situation changes rapidly and often dramatically. The period of the wave remains constant, velocity drops and wave height greatly increases. As the crest arrives at the coast, observers see water surging ashore in the manner of a very high fast tide in confined coastal waters relatively close to their points of origin. Tsunami can reach a height of over 30 meters, that is 100 feet. These seismic waves or the tsunamis occur more frequently in the Pacific Ocean. Tsunami waves, a sudden slump in the ocean bed during an earthquake forms a trough in the water surface subsequently followed by a crest and smaller waves. A more marked change of level in the seabed can form a crest, the start of a tsunami which travels up to 60 km per hour with waves up to 60 meter high. Seismographic detectors continuously record earthquake shocks and warn of the tsunami which may follow it. Constructive effects. Earthquakes may result in fissures opening, causing a geyser or hot spring which are useful for medical point of view to man. Sometimes earthquakes result in the formation of coastal submergence and changing the coastal forms, forming bays and may prove to be helpful in navigation. Earthquake forecasting. Many have forecast about the occurrence of an earthquake in a region, place and time is still a difficult proportion. The seismologists are increasingly concerning on the aspects of earthquake forecasting. One approach for making prediction is to examine the history of each plate boundary and determine the frequency of earthquake in the past. Seismologists then construct maps that provide an estimate of expected earthquake activity. Areas that are quiet and overdue for an earthquake are termed as seismic gaps. Such an area forms a gap in the earthquake occurrence record and is there a place that possesses accumulated strain. The Chinese, on the basis of seismographic studies on animal behavior, made fairly accurate predictions in the 70s. The Chinese seismologists provided a list of animal behavior before the earthquake: cattle refusing to enter corrals and ducks refusing to enter water, snakes coming out of hibernation and fish jumping out of water. And with this, I am ending my today's class. Goodbye.